Greetings of the day. Today we'll try to learn the use of arithmetic operators in C. We all know that arithmetic operators like plus, minus, subtraction, divide, multiply. So using this program, we'll try to use all. Now we will have a problem like read two numbers from the user and show their addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Right? So let's do it. First of all, we'll say F2. I'm writing the name is arithmetic.c. So this is the name of the file. Now has include is very simple. stdio.h. Then we'll have as include ponio.h. Now void main means we don't want to return any return value. So void means no return type. Now we'll take two variable int num1 comma num2 comma. I'm taking first variable to store sum, then second variable to store subtraction result, then taking third variable to store multiplication result, then fourth variable I'm taking to store division result. Sure, we have these two variables which will take the value of which will be decided by the user, and these are the results. Resulting variable means this will hold the sum of two numbers, this will hold the subtraction result of two numbers, this will hold multiplication result of two numbers, this will hold division result of the given numbers. Now what we'll do one thing, we'll read the value of num1 and num2. Let's see. Printf, enter first integer value. I will use /n for taking input from the next line, quotes close, bracket close. Then to read, we'll use function scanner. Then use control string, that is %d, because we are going to read integer data, and we'll go into and num1, and means ampersand, it gives the and with any variable name gives the address of that variable. Now we'll write printf inside bracket. I will be writing enter second number, or I can say second integer value +n. Then we'll scan the second value, scanf. It is again per integer type. I will write %d for reading integer value, and will write and num2. This is second number will be read. Now we need to store result. So sum equals to num1 plus num2. Then subtraction result will have num1 minus, use करेंगे simple, num2. Then multiply mul assignment operator. this num1 multiplied by num2, then division div num1 divided by num2, but we need to make sure that first number must be greater than second number to get correct number, because this is the basic program. So we are not going to see what to do, right? So we'll take a precaution and we'll suggest that to get proper results, sure, that value first should be greater than the second value. Now we'll print the output. Printf, enter. Sum of two integer entered colon equals to colon. That output will be in %d format because the result is also an integer. We'll have a slash n here, slash n for bringing next value in next line, semicolon, then again printf inside bracket subtraction of two integer colon, it is again %d quotes close, comma, then subtraction. This subtraction will be printed here. Now printf inside bracket quotes multiplication of two integers colon %d, and then we'll have mul, then printf inside bracket division of two integer colon equals to %d quotes close, comma, then we'll have div as a result. Then we'll have get ch to see results on the console area while we are supplying this result, right? Get ch is done, main is done, and program is complete. Let's compile. Alt F9, no error, no warning. Control F9, enter value, first integer value I have entered 20, then second integer value I have entered this, but you might be seeing that result is not proper. Sure, you must be able to understand it is because of lack of /n at right position. Let's see. That in first line I have /n is there, in second line it is missing, in third line it is missing, and in fourth line it is also missing. And when it comes to this, this is one error. One, we can say that misplaced /n. It is placed on a wrong place. Now you will get a proper output. See it here. That is 100. Second value 20. Output is clear. Sum of two integer is 120. Subtraction ka is 80. Multiplication result is 2000. Division result is 5. Now this is clear. One more thing is what you must be knowing, that what is missing here. It's very common function, that is CLR SCR. This function will clear the previous output. Alt F9, then Control F9, you will be getting 20. Second value, say 10. See the output. Now you are able to understand that how we use. This is the very simple use of arithmetic operators. In next class or in next video, we'll have relational operator. We'll learn how to use, where to use relational operators, right? With this, thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel to get further videos beyond this.